Hi, I'm trying to get my steering wheel paddles to work. The unit is set up. It's a type G2240. Everything's working perfectly. I go to settings, down to steering, I press start, long press on the thing I want, select function, mode, study success, end, saving. I go back to CD, press mode, and nothing happens. I was wondering if it may be the wiring or a program setting in the unit. I've tried other buttons, but yet it doesn't work. Please, if you could get back to me, I would be grateful. Thank you.